Good morning, students of grade 3rd. Myself, Bhagwati Prajapat, and I'm your math teacher. We are doing block 10. Today, we will start lesson 3 or S3. S3 or lesson 3 is our growing pattern. What is the mean of growing? Growing means बढ़ना, increase करना. Growing means increase करना, बढ़ाना. That is called growing pattern. किसी भी shape को हम बढ़ाएंगे, that is called growing pattern. Like for example, I am making a flower. Okay. Next, I am making two petals. After that, I am making three petals. Okay, these petals are growing, increasing. In this, we have only one petal. Next, two. Next, we have three. This one is called growing pattern. This one is called growing pattern, and I am making here four petal. Next, I will make what we will make next. How many petals we will make? Yes, 5. So this one is called growing pattern. And why we call this one is growing pattern? Because these are growing, increasing. These are increasing. That's why we call this pattern growing pattern. Okay. Now I will make 6 petals. Okay, so this one is called growing pattern. Suppose I am making here in another example one triangle. Next I am making in this we have one triangle. In this we have four triangle. How many triangle we increase in this? Three triangle we increased in this. And in next how many triangles we have in this? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. We have in this 9 triangles. And how many triangles we increase in this? Yes, how many triangles we increase in this? 5. Okay, in this we have 1, here we have 4 and in this we have 9. Next we can do again. So this one is called growing pattern because these triangles are growing. These triangles are growing. Suppose I have one triangle and one triangle we have. Extra triangles we increase in this 1, 2, 3. 3 triangles we have. Next, if we will took this picture, we have 4 triangles here. 4 triangles. And how many pictures of triangle we increase? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now what number we have skip in both? 4 number. And now next what number will skip? Yes, 5, and we will skip 6 and 7 triangles we will increase. Students, can we do our activity in this? Now you will solve this one. How many triangles we will make in this? Can you please tell me? Yes, you will try this one. And this is our growing pattern. Like I am making here one circle. In second, I am making 2 circle. In third, I am making 3 circle. In fourth, I am making 4 circle. Okay. Next, what will come? Next, what will come? I'll make 5 circles. Okay, students. Now you are understand, I hope, that what is the meaning of growing pattern and why we call this pattern growing pattern. I hope you all are understand, students. Bye bye.